Use synthetic division to find the quotient and remainder from dividing the polynomial by x plus 2. Synthetic division is a way of dividing one polynomial by a linear binomial to find the quotient and remainder. When dividing by a linear binomial using synthetic division, make sure the factor is written in the form x minus a. As you can see, x plus 2 is not written in this form, so we rewrite it as x minus negative 2. And we'll be using the negative 2 in the synthetic division. These four placeholders are for each of the coefficients of the polynomial. Since this is a polynomial of degree 3, there are four placeholders, one for each term. This is how synthetic division works. The numerical term goes here, and we determine that that would be negative 2. And then we fill in the coefficients from the polynomial. So the cube has a coefficient of 1. The square has a coefficient of 2. The linear term has a coefficient of negative 5. And then this is the constant term, and it goes right here. Start by dropping the first term. 1 goes here, and then we multiply these terms. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. And then we add these terms, and we get 0. Multiply negative 2 times this term to get 0 here. Add these terms, negative 5 plus 0 is negative 5. Multiply negative 2 by negative 5, and we get 10. Negative 6 plus 10 is a positive 4. So we end up with this division equation. P of x divided by x plus 2 equals, and then these are the coefficients of the quotient, which is going to be 1 degree lower than the original polynomial. So x squared, 0 means that there is no linear term, so we get x squared minus 5 with a remainder of 4. And from the remainder theorem, we know that this term is the same as p of negative 2.